Alright, quick update on Bitcoin. So there's a few things I'm noticing in the chart today. Let's jump right into it. Now, previously we had this asymmetrical triangle. Now, you might not remember this. This was from a while ago. I mean, this links all the way back to January, and we broke out of this in March. So it's been almost a month since we've talked about this. We had a price target on this breakout. We were talking about a move up to 49,500. We came up to basically 48,300 and then got rejected. We basically reached it and then fell all the way down. Now, what's interesting is in the past couple of days, we've come back into it. We've back tested it again, and now we're moving up. While we have seen a short fired on the daily EMA ribbons, I think it's very interesting how we've come back to this asymmetrical triangle, which also kind of links to what is happening in the short term. Now we've got like a baby asymmetrical triangle playing out now. You can see this is on the 4 hour, so you know this has only been in place since the 11th of April. But nonetheless, we had this. I titled my last couple of videos fake out with the breakout, and you can see we had a fake out of this asymmetrical triangle. We didn't quite reach the price target. We had a move down to 3.5%. At least this was what the asymmetrical triangle was predicting, and instead we had a 2.7% drop before ascending all the way back. You can see we didn't reach our target, and I always have the saying, a fake out in one direction equals a fast move in the opposite direction, meaning if we have a fake out to the upside and we come back down, expect a move to the downside. If we have a fake out to the downside and don't reach our target, expect a big move back up to the upside. And that's played out very, very nicely. We're seeing an increase in volume on the 4 hour. The bulls have taken control of the lower time frames, and the most bullish thing of all, if we look at the 4 hourly EMA ribbons, the short-term moving average on this is starting to converge and starting to head up. So if I make this thicker, you can see the short-term moving average is this thick red line we've got at the bottom. Once this short-term moving average comes up very, very quickly, and as you can see, it's moving up very fast right now. I imagine the short-term moving average will cross the long-term moving average probably tomorrow. I'm predicting that this will cross tomorrow, and we will have tomorrow, when we make our video, a 4 hourly bullish EMA flip to talk about. So that will be interesting. If we do see that, I definitely see lots of continuation coming in. Nonetheless, my price target hasn't changed. I've been talking about this 5% move up to 42,500. We are now at 41,500, and yeah, we're kind of just chilling around this region. On the daily, what is also extremely bullish, like this is so good to see. We're seeing daily squeeze mom. We're seeing these dark red candles come in while the bears are in control. And what does this mean? So on the squeeze one, we have momentum shifts. Momentum shifts to the upside, momentum shifts to the downside. On the upside, when you see these dark green candles come in, it means the bulls are losing control. On the downside, when you see these dark red candles come in, it means the bears are losing control. What happened the last time we had a momentum shift? Let's talk about it. So we were right here. You can see the last time this turned dark green, if you look at the bottom, was the 31st of March. And we were right here for Bitcoin. We were literally just topping out at 47,600. So we were right here. We topped out here. And if we drag it down to yesterday, which very interestingly, if we're looking at this on the daily, you can see this topped out yesterday. It started turning dark red, and we're getting continuation with that today, which is very nice. You saw a 19% drop the last time we had a momentum shifts. What is happening right now? We've had another momentum shift, and we've only gone up approximately from this bottom. We've only gone up 7.5%. So if we were doing this based on the previous 19% move, you know, we could easily see a move back up to the 46,000s, which is very, very nice in terms of this daily momentum. Hopefully we have a lot more room to run up when we do have our next momentum shift, which is very good because we're miles away from flipping bullish, which means that, you know, as the bears are losing control, Bitcoin can start to staircase up. Once this flips bullish, we can see a huge rally above our previous invalidation point, which is also the 200-day moving average, coming in at approximately 48,000. So I still have my eyes on this level. Once we take out this level, it's going to converge down a bit. If we come up there in the next week or so, you can see this being approximately at 47,600. And once we break that, pretty much smooth sailing up to $55,000. So that's pretty much all I've got for Bitcoin. We're looking exceptionally nice. We're seeing a decent amount of volume stepping in. On the higher time frames, we've back tested important levels of support slash resistance, like the previous asymmetrical triangle that we did just back test on the daily yesterday. We're looking incredibly nice, and like I said, lower time frames, bears are losing all control. We had a fake out, and a fake out means a fast move in the other direction. So I have to assume 42,500 is going to get taken out in the next couple of days or so. If it does get taken out, then we would have moved up so much that the 4 hourly EMA ribbons, you see what I have to deal with. Like, you watch me do that, right? I'm not going crazy. Like 5 minutes ago, I made it so the EMA ribbon was thicker, and it just took it away. Like, it does it every single time. It's super annoying. But you can see the short-term moving average starting to head up. On the 4 hourly time frame, bulls are starting to take control, and we're seeing an influx of buying volume. This is incredibly good. If we keep on having continuation, the 4 hourly EMA ribbons are going to flip to the upside, and then on the daily we will see a huge move to the upside, in my opinion. That is all I've got for you today. Quickly as well, you can see the total crypto market cap has pumped back above your 618 Fibonacci. This is incredibly good. I want to see more continuation, because as you can see, the short-term moving average is getting dangerously close to the long-term moving average. If we don't start heading up very quickly for the total crypto market cap, then this could potentially fire a daily short. And the last time we fired a daily short, we were up here at 2.5 trillion, and it carried us all the way down to 1.5 trillion. So we want to see continuation. We do not want to see just chopping around for the next couple of days. That is probably the worst thing we could do. I'd rather we have a huge dump and get it over with than just chop to the side, because if we chop to the side, these daily EMA ribbons are going to flip bearish, and that could be a very nasty thing to see. I don't think we're going to see that, so let's hope we see continuation. I want to see Bitcoin push above and beyond 42,500. I am currently buying Bitcoin on spot. I have not entered a long position on Bitcoin yet. I will let you know the next time I do plan on entering a long on Bitcoin. It won't happen until we at least take out 42.5. That is all I see for Bitcoin today and the total crypto market cap. Once again, thanks for watching. None of this is financial advice, just my opinion on the market, and you've always got to do what's best for you. Cowboy out. Peace.